A rectangle is made up of four triangles: E, F, G, H. The area of the triangle F is 3 times the area of triangle H. So the triangle area of triangle H is 12 centimeters square. What's the area of the rectangle? Okay, so we know that H over here is 12 and then centimeter square, right? And then this is it. Oop, let me make it this. Okay, so what about F? Okay, so triangle H is equal to 12 centimeters square, like this, right? I'm gonna put everything here. And then this is H. Right, so triangle F is basically 3 times of H, which is 3 times 12. This will be 36 centimeters square, right? Okay, so what is the area of the rectangle? So what I'm going to say is that half of area of rectangle, right, is equal to, right? So this is area of triangle H and area of triangle F. So half of area of rectangle is equal to area of triangle H plus area of triangle F, which is equal to, in this case, 12 plus 36, which is then equal to 48 centimeters square, right? So then area of rectangle is equal to 48 times 2, which is, let me just move this whole thing up like this. 48 times 2 is 96 centimeters square. Okay. So why do you think the answer is 96? So I'm going to explain to you. Okay, so basically the area of the triangle is basically half times base times height. Then at the same time, the area of rectangle is also not also but it's just base times height. Okay, so I just named differently. So in this case, in conclusion, yeah, right, therefore, right, dot dot dot, since we have what do you call this, base times height over here, right, area of rectangle is basically equal to, since this half base times height, that means no, area of triangle, right? So if I were to put it like this, make it a little bit simpler, right, like this, right? If I were to highlight this as well, base times height, base times height, okay, so that means area of triangle is just half times area of rectangle, okay, right? So are you mind blown right now? Right, mind blown, mind, right? Okay, so now the thing is, all right, so you see that now we have two triangles and in a way two squares, or in this way it forms a rectangle. So let's say base is the same. The area of the rectangle is basically 10 times 20, which is 200 centimeters square. So area of triangle is half times base times height, which is half times 10 is 50. So the thing is that the area of two triangles in this basically in this rectangle is 100 centimeters square. Therefore, the area of triangle is half. So the area of triangle is 100 centimeter, right? Okay, so area of rectangle. Okay, so in this case, area of rectangle is equal to how many, right? 200 centimeters square. Okay, in this case over here. So that means area of triangles over here is half of area of rectangles. So you might think, since they're the same, that's why it can be half. You're right. But if I change the what do you call this? These two bases, right? So I have another example where I have triangle A and triangle B in this same rectangle, right? So in this case, the whole what do you call this, base over here is 20 centimeter. But the thing is that since the base is different, so triangle A is 30 centimeter square, triangle B over here is 70 centimeter square. But if we were to combine the area of triangles, no matter what, right, if they are just touching if both of their bases are the whole base of the rectangle, and then they also connected to this the other side over here, that means no matter what, any triangles, number of triangles in a rectangle is still half times area of rectangle. Therefore, in this case over here, half of area of rectangle is equal to area of triangle H and F, because their bases are literally the same length as the rectangle, and then they are just half of what I see over here, and that's why you multiply times 2. So hopefully this makes sense. Alrighty. Okay, so you can go to easy1.sg/notes for more explanation.